Happy birthday, LJ!
Ayan, so ang birthday wish namin for LJ, sana lumaki siya ng unang-una, mag-ako sa Diyos. At makaliligo, mabait na bata, sweet, katulad ng kanyang mom. At yun, mag-aaral ng mabuti, yung sumunod palagi sa ng kanyang magulang. Naway maging maayos, maging maganda yung paglaki niya. Itong stage na ito bilang baby niya, I hope na maging lahat maging maayos, maganda. Yun, dito lang kami palagi for you.
Yes.
LJ, our first baby.
Everybody wants to be somebody. Everybody wants to be someone. Everybody wants to be somebody, but I just wanna be somebody to you.
Ang dedication din po ay mga pagpapakita ng mag-asawa in public na ang kanilang anak ay itinuulit nila sa Panginoon.
Somebody to you.
So my birthday wish or prayer to LJ is that she will grow up na isang anak that respects and follows her parents, of course, and maging mabait na bata and kind to people. And of course, someone who loves and fears God. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, no, kapag may values na gano'n, everything else follows. So, that's it. LJ.
Everything would change.
Sama-sama po natin at sa ating lahat na naka-witness ngayon, maging tayo man po, hindi lamang tayo naririto para makiselebrate. Naririto po tayo para makigalak sa biyaya ng Diyos sa pamilya at upang maging kabahagi sa pananalangin para po kay LJ.
Happy birthday, LJ, and happy dedication din. I wish for your good health. I know ngayon pa lang you're already living a Christ-centered life, but I wish magpatuloy yun hanggang sa pagtanda mo, of course, with the guidance of your parents. I also wish that you will have a very, very beautiful mind and heart. Always be kind, always be prayerful, and always trust in the Lord, and also trust in your parents. All the time, they will always be there for you, and I will always be here for you also as you're here now. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you as you grow.
I just wanna be somebody to you.
Sweet LJ, happy first birthday. Ayan. So, I just pray and hope na as you grow up, I pray that you will grow with the Lord. I pray that you will always let Him lead you where your heart desires. Lagi mong iaalis sa Kanya whenever nangyari, need mo ng guidance. I pray na you will always turn to Him first. And of course, sa mommy and daddy mo. And of course, kay Nina ngayon. So, always know that Ninang is always here for you, and I can't wait to see you as you grow up. And ayun, I love you so much, my dear, and happy first birthday.
But I just wanna be somebody to you.
Pinakamakapangyarihan mong ninong. So, sana lumaki kang matalino, masiyahin, healthy, and sana intindihin mo lang si mami at daddy mo kasi may mga times na hindi mo sila maiintindihan talaga. Darating yung time niya, kaya i-ready mo yung sarili mo and be wise, lagi mo mahalin si mami at si daddy mo. Lagi lang na sila nandyan. And kami rin, ng ninong at ninang mo, lagi kaming nandito pag kailangan mo ng kausap, nandito lang kami. Pag kailangan mo ng kasama o kailangan nila mami at daddy mo ng kasama, nandito lang din kami. Alalahanin mo kami. Yun, so happy birthday LJ. God bless.